Hey guys, and welcome back. Today we're going to do this really easy dry brush and nail stamp design. So I already painted my nails with this pretty hollow polish by Color Club called Harp On It. And I'm going to swipe on some neon colors. I want to be able to see the hollow through the color, so I'm not going to go crazy. Now I know I saturate my channel with dry brush designs and I must drive you crazy with it, but I just want to show you that you can create a really easy and fun nail design with a dry brush. You can use any color combos. They come out really cute and fun. Now using my Cici and Sisi O1 nail plate, I'm going to apply polish onto this nail stamp design. I don't know what it is. It's like a triangle, tribal-ish looking design. But I just thought the stamp design just brought the whole look together. As you can see the hollow polish coming through it. And that was what I really wanted. I wanted to give it a fun, nice look. Now, once I was done, I removed the liquid latex skin around my nails and I applied a quick dry top coat. Hope I made this video really easy and fun for you guys to recreate. If you want, if you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel to get updates on when I upload new videos. And check out my Instagram at Funwithmynails. See more of my nail art. Thanks so much for watching. See you next time.